endless possibilities.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Arishimamba mama uachi masamu wakwaba zaba Coastal Television do na ende ifida tasibadi nyamina na dawoma enda so ode edafo fra chain weekend no obeda wa yesase nda no pay na ochina memenda kwesida da tata do no tede bibiara orokodo pepepe na ende fidesu sa ya minera wa wo ine fiti oyedoda brada ukuda yawda fida anapa otedama ebusia asideya ena yeda oye papa god yeda na ase na yekede na dum no mobile kwa osande yakada ni yadada owufo na yenyim bebia ene na me yeyiba yewonta yeyiba yewodo no na tede yesan yede wa ayo watasefa asase do na bebe yekane na me wo hende mu no ebusia se wa ne sisi yede wa ayo wa nche sebi kese iswa befie osande ndemu no ikupe baby ikupe wala baby pe mpenyim ho enko hoda eti se wonya tuna sa dampo na se na oyo ho eja bakanda yishika enti ma ewa na wo nyame da wase eja adachi mi ade na asede yara na ebusafo ende fida no pay center focus se aduna do ya bakansa ende so obi yedemo center focus ndaso ye obi yademo na anapay se focus ne baye wodo na ndama bia de na akwema na aseda papa bi wo ho a ode yedi medwumuku a waye ho ne pe no wara dom wonu we so hinasen machira NPA National Petroleum Authority we so hinasen wo boy chi dom tuku woda hoden ebedwa na National Authority assemble online da was use gas ebuso wonu nyi chepeka bia wonu nyi bechepechi bia was use gas tetetia ntin da to pan wo da ye pastry da ebe restaurant wo choba wo ana wore en wo fiedi ebuso use gas the use gas no for sunupi na ansa na gas na po use no cylinder na the gas no bugum no oda enyama oye MPF waja atum da approve once no only the man no leakage bia enti de bia no se sufi nata asomge wasomjo tere wa njo be be ade no bilik another bimpo bisi ejuma ne ye na ejuma dama enti National Petroleum Authority asida onko onfamon da the peso wada ho denan wudebuso hinasen asida bi onko ma oya king of the universe the king Kong wa bedem materials na ebuso ye king of the universe won sama ejumoko waja atum na wadi adense won da mamche burden materials na materials no ebuso yewo mo wode sha meche anyo na onye cement onno se de badasa eni una emphasize sizes no do ye create de baye rings ana fa faith ana super 1 inch na de baye pillars no ebusuani na eko oye kino de university binye bi ntifiti foundation akisi wufin se epe asbestos metre me yefren slate ya oye cement cat head no ana iron zinc ana galvanize ana epe aluminium ebusiani na king of the years ebudu wa nasoye eda ewie na che security doors e be si dan ma eda no wala mu na mpa edema na na ntumpo na ka bom keke kwa obi ado nla tum usanna ma abo no tena na ka no asam echi wia afotense no tas adboto danum finishing paint do oye paint and ni na king of the universe ebusia wagini nya abodo na sa me pay baby a ebobo ereko site na epe bede materials de king of the universe na me kan famo ko kaji bede materials ni bi nti wona so yi eko oye abra news posted no opposite pepe king of the universe abosantintin uson ha woda akwa woda wo hai abosantintin uson ya king of the universe the marathon na ko ye efa nkan na de Cape Coast Accra me che regional house of chiefs no opposite pepe abosantintin uson na king of the universe asaye ko sin ntebu shane pe ko kadwa den sinibi eduma ku benu na ne pe woda hoden ebuso hina sinema nsam aye piso ana nsam no aye dududu na anepe ye beti nkomo enyimpe fe da si sele ye ni wiade na ole ba no osesa na aye renewable energy se atwonka na se anepe anebe atwonka no no hihye bi eseda enje wa mpati a usua me kan fa mo de the renewable energy na ole ba no nde bibia wom nde wo be bicycle o use electronic yes nde wo bicycle won padro atina de na no roko nde wo cars yo motorbike wo wa o use fuel yo motorbike wo wa nde o use fuel nti yebedi o afa oye renewable energy mpeyinfa wanye British High Commission wanye na kishia na woye nchechire derma oye enyanum a hum butum di da medwuma nna no wode aye adwuma no woye nchechire wode ma ho no ebedi da mo nkomo no na yakohwe nsama otedam no ebuso yefiwa ena yefi de buso ebi se no nkomo yabaka grem se wasam osan na se sia no be grem se no wedu no eyi jesema we pe mi no otumfo se tutu yo ko be asante kotoko wasure ejina na nado wa ka grem se no wasam nte buso nde bi de nkomo yefi grem se no nkomo ebusia wayi adania or pass out ebeti wayi yefu wo nkomo wona wo pass out no bibia ona da so after 2 years ebna de na obeye ebeti da mo nkomo no na yakohwe school a no so bibia o shempo nkofo ndandwene de ubi 100% no so wonya 100% ma in the secondary school for candidate for today adusia for the school for tata wonde won me no busua do ho no so ebedi nkomo no Ghana Pharmaceutical Council wono so yamena domara wode woni conference nya bewie aha conference nya woda bewie enti yebokona de nkomo no so yekidi kakra na ya hwehwem ebusia enti de nkomo nya awie a center focus yati oye de wakata na pod na kanye fide kateni na aba che ko weekend kateni na waba na menyimaga bitini wen kakakra na yadamo na yewia no chede yadi oye center focus no yadi abewie ni amakwan menda kanye fide politicians no eja ho so obidu won kobon kakakra na yadi ndama atoto na akonum utebusia anepei ina nkoma ye bedi na ansa na no ma ba from kitikeku asori ba Kofi Esuman na yen share nsama anope ye bedi hu nkomo no yen shase yin pefe de ada wo fa climate change iwiade no sesa enti se wosu ansesa ho anada anye bribia me wiade no sesa na wosu dechi na obende etima ebusu etwa na yakwaejam na enje semo wimi de oye climate comfortable growth meche CCG wanye oye British High Commission wa kabom wa ye workshops nko direma enyanema wetu wesu wede adza wofon oye renewable energy no ubedi hu djuma na wudu hu djuma no wudu hu djuma de wodre tete oye maintain ketesia na wona ya na hu adom madam kwan wa afado no umso wetu no da metete no ama ababa de ende ye nya kala o use electronic kala wu charge no kala wu charge no nti da maka no o use fuel adam ya che dem bass yampo former vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia odibi bay kala o na won kra bass o use electronic bass o use fuel bia o use electronic okwa na okolo battery na wa ma signal no oko ne bay ho na we charge an hour we ala come on the way to Olokwano. Enti da membe nyina no ori edwuma wo oye Ghana na abra British High Commission wanye oye CCG mpeyifo woye dem workshop no de menyino Coastal Television ye wonti yenye oye ewuraba na nafempoma ahen oye advisor dem oye green economic transformation team no yenye na fempoma ahen yayin bonkobo na nokwani onsama atofo menwu da mpa se yere boyewo madin yekuyen ma no we need a collaboration o here pa da mende mo tere no nkofo bi du wo behiem na ono so no o here ma ba ne de da mende ma do otetetere mo lo ba o da aban so dinu wugim na obo mo nkofo wo do wo hyedwume de otere no am yen trefi de be yen kere unemployment nti oye nana from ahina oye advisor dema oye green economic transformation team no ye no bonkomo ye hwe sama na from okay
this transition ye wo projects bebre ye wo Ghana ye ni aban ye ni government of Ghana ye projects bebre projects ni be ye to me ye ni say ye to me support it. For example, young people no person mo ye say bicycles or use energy or use batteries, solar battery powered or batteries and use oil and gas. Into yes support sa innovations ni we call some of the factories are ye ni omo ye djuma ye bo technical assistance meet ye mo ye ni omo partner with some of them aban kasa so ye ni omo partner. For example, ye ni aban ehihemu ni discuss how ye betuma Ghana access finance which media any projects or person expanding solar generation Ghana ye born money policy to say let's say any energy commission ye modeling ni nia ka ho say ye bo aban ye ni omo ye djuma but in fact say ye bo ye ni omo ye partners for example yen Gridco Ghana for omo energy distribution manager no on UK distribution manager of Gem ye partnership near Kasa. How do we do this? Yes, from each other on how we can actually support transition in the here because while we say some of these sources of energy no they are not renewable until over time we need to augment those sources with other sources are able to stand say sun able to need there forever until we have to augment until you become a good partnership on energy transition. There's a innovation in the in fact, I am uncle who sent me kind, may see me, my copy be a me who can afford ye. Send me car become using a battery in your man. See, all this and no so and do sa skill near or be able to say, oh, and easy. Until we're gonna for Yanamapa. Now, the advice yes, I make we say make us a partnership. Send me use the word partnership to action. action research, the person universities, policy makers, private sector, back together. They making sure say the years from other countries are even within Ghana. You bet me multiply, bet me buy young people no much fast innovation, no more journey. Nay, see any banks, for example, any Juma partnership, no more funding some of these things because at the end of say person transitional, you investment. You have a mass investment. You say a young person be idea so only the other see dying here a lot of obey you see sun their power dying. Innovations be see young people no more but here capital into any banks and so be Juma any partnership. The private sector, the government, and Ghanaian partnerships. Now, you need if you are wanting, but you best support a partnership as best as we can to ensure a partnership. Which me, I
now Ghana, so when you green energy transition or one ministries, normally it has been evolving over the years. Any collaboration with United Kingdom in a Ministry of Green Energy in a large scale effort?
Yes. It is to say, you're born energy transition plan. No, Ghana energy transition plan to I think 2030. It's a very ambitious energy transition plan, but in here investment, in here technical assistance, in here skills. Into your new more capacity building, your Ministry of Finance, any green ministries, you more discussing how can you access finance, how can you get finance, external finance, because is going to take a lot of money, it's going to take a lot of technical support, any effort. Into your new send a access send a car before, you bit say grid co, any Ghana form energy distributor, or person making sure say more renewable energy grid so. But in inside grid no issues are crazy here and there. Into you know any UK off gem or no regulator or more bon come say hey UK mo the same and I'm problems in there. Now you so problems in there no more kasa. And more finding collaboration. Investors be more interested in energy, both domestic also investors as well as international investors. And a lot of work with Ministry of Finance, a lot of work with the green ministries, a lot of work with infrastructure ministries because they are also involved in the infrastructure underpinning transition, and as well as OT and CCG, which is the research partnerships with KNUST, University of Ghana. They are being back together. They say yes, they say to me collaborating more. Which is what American and Pay say collaborating more because at the end they do but see about together the kitwan will be our one baby na multiply na yet mania the person which is energy transition.
Yeah, that's a pain.
Yes. No asana na from Poma na from Poma akano collaboration here collaboration oh here papa no na me link the collaboration no yeda ma oye apostle Kodwesafo na the master no the collaborating in media oba yet Ghana ha me technical universities your Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology impact baba na what wani papa no wani je ya Yanto people there says a papa no or student if you over. What can I say, ma? Or to obey or tell him the other way. Says the man is no more. Jado the bija. Nemo asembisa ya kaenda ahankasa yeso manim nankasa no collaboration by na yi papa no ye universities are wo Ghana ha who are him no papa no kai collaboration technical universities are wo Ghana ha who are him no papa no kai collaboration na say British High Commission another green economy wane jumedi sonkwa wanye renewable energy sector si we wire dem collaboration ni sa collaboration na mba dem obeye djuma enti yemi prefer the institutions na no ma no be sese me wiade no kwa no ka me change na de be ya ka wasam no ayawa no order woman nchimba wore be nye na yedi enwuchim tetetia nti yede ho asopa a yede mpefase na the man mo na wetu no wetu anamapa yɛnim dɛ at the end of the workshop na wobɛkɔ no nnuanom a wobɛfi workshop no ase wobɛbɛ biara no wɔba na wɔbɛyɛ bibi sonko yes ne inverters no baa na wɔdere ba wɔn ba yɛnsɛ ne bi gyina hɔ na yɛnsan yɛnna hɔ a yɛmfa ɔyɛ fangu kaalem wɔn kɔ mba wɔn kɛyɛ dɛm workshop no mba na ndɛm hɔ a mɛtɛ hɛn anim nti dɛm workshop no a wɔagana gye wɔdze ama hɔ no yɛda hɔ ase paa dɛ wɔdze dɛm workshop no wɔdze abɔboa na enyim dɛ ahola wɔkɔ ni yaa so sɛdoa adwene da hɔ na wɔdze bɛyɛ adwuma ma dɛm mpanyinfo wɔahyehyɛ osane obi otu a ne mɔkɔ biara no ɔwɔ nsuado hɔ a na ɔwɔ akyɛ dɛ nyame da akyɛ nti sɛsia enyim dɛ ayɛ kura Ghana de mbiri baba Ghana ha neja hɛn so yɛdzi no kɔ akyi nkwafo bɛfo ka da wo bɛhwɛ ma ɔman Ghana na hansu yɛayɛ usane sɛsia Ghana sɛsia dam climate change no no ho ndama ɔrekɔdo no de Ghana yɛ number 1 it's an all corners and the child and you with the bottles with this that and plastic bottles ya it's the workshop on the oye pa dem yes mama mo one day wonder at least you cramp or annual ya oboboa neta enanu bi so wa asase no so na wo so wo de wo abehye into workshop on the na imba Frimpoma, na Frimpoma, the Yabesa no painful organization where the main, you know, mature or green economic transformation. And painful yourself, ma. Workshop on the day, one. At least I you crab every 3 months. An assessment in power, your friend of 6 months. So that student in a wash, I see, Wallabano, Neja, also win your mokwan. And the other one I see. Wa umbwa wadre bua beja ndama wasesa usande yenko yemnusua dama nsesa na oloba na eye nyina no yedi yewu hyem no onye nsesa oye yimpako no de ntentroma omoto na nkere amame yimiye ntempe na kre mbesesa no wo so asesa dam na asam nati ebuso ye begina galamse no wo sabodo usane sesale Ghana ma ebirum won prede at the papa oloba message where workshop dire ma honen ebirum so awu da no sika pena nti wo se nsu na adani enanom esanchofi binum wa tutefo be mu da ma oye olobo ofosu kwacha oye swafa ohwe aban ne do uban samodo de okan sembi da galamse no onye west nje se 2025 galamse na west da na no o machirim na enanu na ekejina oye insunudo na wa chirim na ampa galamse no west nti wadu hunu masam wada tugwa enhia ma ehwe nyanam no nsama wadu tugwa na kwana wo chirim wo oye galamse no nsam no. The
mining is happening in the eastern region, and you have over 11 districts suffering the consequences when they have nothing to do with mining. Now, the government communications minister, Honorable Kwachio Fusu, tells us that we can only tell him that Galamsey is worsened if we show him proof. This morning, our friends from the media, the mission here is to present the proof to Honorable Kwachio Fusu so he can pass it on to the president and the government and let the NDC government understand that there is enough proof that Galamsey is worsened. And today, many more districts who hitherto 9 months ago were living their peaceful life and going about their lives without any stress cannot get water to drink because of the escalated nature of Galamsey across the country. We are worried because the NDC government has a record and history of always muddying our water bodies whenever they are in power. And we are not the ones saying it. The data proves it. Indeed, if you go to the Water Resources Commission website, there is enough evidence that shows that before 2010, when Galamsey escalated in the manner we are seeing today in this country, we had 40 water sites that were being tracked by the Water Resources Commission. As of 2010, when this Galamsey we are seeing popped its head, 40 of these sites were fairly good water. Now with the Water Resources Commission Water Quality Index, what they do is that they use the turbidity level of the water, including, in addition to the nutrients and 2 other indicators, to come up with the water quality. And that is why I make the point that only the turbidity level cannot be used as a measure for the quality of our water. And for all of us to be on the same page, the Water Resources Commission has been tracking our water quality since 2005, and the data is available for all of us. Today, as of December 2024, the Water Resources Commission Water Quality Index clearly indicates that by 2010, 40 of our water sites were fairly good. When the NDC government was in power between 2010 and 2016, this is what happened. By 2016, the 40 quality water, fairly good water that we had reduced to 15. And 25 of this fairly quality water have now become poor quality water. Let me repeat it.
It's 2016. Nasa ya to aba ma ban fofo aba 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020 aba na se repeat 2021, 2022, 2023, 24 ya san ya to aba aban fofo aba 2025 nasa da hwa yeti bebe yeti a ebusuan wa sambo no po ye wa sambo no po pa ebusuan wa sambo no po na atukra oyam eyije wo nsama ye kan ya ho de ye ka no we bi si fa akor aban no mpayemfo osame abanda no wa basen ko o wa Sir John na no kanofo ye ka gerem se no wasem na na honda no ugu kwabetonum wo se kwa ire dama ani nansenya yeto abewie amampe jonja mane bai eno ye nempayifo we bi ya pampamfo agokonya ko water works insha ayinsu na yinsu no oyinsha ofi oye eastern region ayinsu suro yinsu ofi eastern region eno oba onne da ma odo ba agokonya ko na ahobo sama epe me de agokonya ko water works no wa ba no do wotum nti regional minister na onye na pampamfo wokwada wantase ebushafo mamako ahobo sam na ona me de konyako ohene wo nti na ode wo ko ohene wo na okobora menje na yaba ma ya tinyi nti yerbo hwe da konyako water works no wobotuma na wontum nti yerbo hwe awon ina na nansi de ona bo mesa jo twem no ka so mkiraw awa wa bere mo pefia na oboda mabran abujina po and the member no ino ye land and natural minister ino the cat head asumado won fa men na umutu gold another one wo hwe sikakoko wo anyinsunsunum according to chief also why a press conference many ho nda wo the cat yaba adeche wo the cat yaba it is a reader minister sabana e kwa kohwe oye konyanko wote wesa yi mi de wala wo bobɔ fono na mo de mensemi no ho de mensemi no ho na naso mo kai
sani wa kama sini baya infikat krebi ya chip wa bulse obide if commission wa man tum se mehwehwe agudi wa yisum ode ba na so ma commission so ma cho me de se da minti na ma fo ya makwan wa maybe so on the license also the commission also my prospecting maybe she say good work usuma let and remember and I say cut out the man no mission minimum for ya chance actually it require press conference. I used to have press conference by 3 or 4 times. If you were not Krataba, not only Pakro from Abamu, Abujina Podon, also on the Bako 25,000 acres. So, Untian here, whoever assassin. Now, yes, assassin, they can say Kuku. Kuku, so a woman. Now, when you permit, so Obitian here, we ask us 25,000 acres. So Obitian here. Now, all parties say, a quafuno, young Kuku, Nidia, Nidia, and no, 200 among Mamma the letter, or Mabujanapo. Catch your name, say, and muscle in there, Maswatana. And no, oh, ya had a young mister, Ebermanin, the commission. Also, may say, on my prospecting, or may say, Nibian Hoba, Nimediatum. Young press conference, bear 3 times with ya, if I use one. It's in Bram who say, maybe Cosono. Me have 2 person won't go up a paper. Look up a paper. Okay, so that as soon as I consume a paper, Yabro. No, so we need to more. Me, you know. Now, music need to more. The 2 now, with your band. It's now, yes, I say, cat. One a bemuno. Omo license say o me prospecting no anka won so de woni beto champion fo no say baby adam no wono ini pa kwepe nye one district aye kura no from 7 to 10 district I see a supply uzu na minister mo aso mo pen fo do go so ka bi Moon penning funa ogusu on Wakabi. It's all regional minister, untum Kona on Koma permit in my officer, uncle prospecting Waisum. And now so Amano permit, so Amano 25,000 acres of land, say, or Kutiania. If you Mara would penny for so. They say, Mara Makamo Bovo. Also, instruction from above. Instruction from above. Yeah, the regional minister, yeah, there was also a big hobby. No, I used to know dance, say, Mufrano. Now, I used to sing it. Yeah, my man, never too on. Now, I have pipe, you can one pipe of that. If you say, what's one my woman? Pipe back, we are conducting 62. Yeah, my man, never too on. Yeah, no one will be that. What's one my woman? Nti ayi sunu no ya bakona ehina no wapumu kama no de ayiso no ode gum ifukwa bakra yana na so ne yeso no nda ebinum wankuto wonkutokum wonyefu no eje pade ho a wo hwenti bakaka ayisu mande aka nipa bebre especially central region ebinum mo pese wiase sike nyinara eko wonchen wondwin nipa aka no ho wondwin se ne abi yi nipa beko he
1962 na pipe obakoyako ebusia damo kono wo fado dan na nusia no wadan dan fitere membe ya besi ahene nya abirdi nta ba ze bay no 2000 2010 2020 2025 ayinsu wa sayama konyako water west we cross the down na central regional minister honorable Eduamua Ochiripen na say no that to go o say na garamse no komon o say garamse no komon sayin sancho yi ni dimpa no isuro ani police yi di garamse no komon isuro o say no kaka chan wa garamse no nti wa bokon tafa so bokon obi ani site wo no wo say hinsu wo say ni japade nta dema na wa yede kaka no mo kaka ibidinti ibi men say ade na wo hwe wo ba mo wo kwa kache wonen na enum sumade na kaka ebu shen nya no susadu ho nya se nyima no susadu ho bar facha do ba che de mo banu susadu de o do ho pefe ibi ya na sana na rega men sanen semo do tugo na ebusia men hwe bi asema onabu Eduamua Ochiripen okay no ye hwe
ye the alternative abepa na ye nuanom yankopon fo nkresie okwohwe won kwa oyaza ama yenyi wa abem papa enti oya garamse say ya na garamse semi ya na odedamade aba onu nti oye MD Ghana Water Baha waba final report to doko na odeba ma appropriate quotas ma woso we dechi wa start mpo wo ye hu bibi na dem information there we move wo ye hu bibi na mo ye nje sem bo mi there ye hu abra woto airplane kakaba ntu kwem we hu baby adini fi onti na me kan wa say apo there ye hu baby ofize onu ya mpo na ya bafa ya asafofo ya ma won fe sojafo na nana wabo dawuda ya yenim so an yemfa asafuma na nda akonyakofo ko ochina potemfo nko na baye bosome ba sen yenkwagyina yenhwede obi ani ye ganse wakopinta ma yensuba aban bebempa yebotum yaye ona da waba me yobo yakwenjere ye kwa yenkwa yegigizo nem ye kwahwede nsuna wesu no wobobu ekwan ehwe video no yi pictures oba no so a ebonwu de nsuna wesu no kwan nti yaye nhihia wobobu no kwan ma waba yabo mpa so yambo mabimu awaye o sacrament suta nso naturally obaba bo watch bi akwa ma yema ma obaba na yetumi ayi ba ni na de za waye ho na ebohwe ya bo ba intum kanum nsam ni na anche so na okoye security matter bi aya yiji ampo obi kan wo beti na waka che na nkofo no wo oh yes kam say sadam na baka eyin police yi jina oka gam say sama suro eyin journalist jina oka gam police for asma me kam bo na mokai eyin journalist ka suro because me regional minister. You stress somebody, you tell a media man that Ochai Boko and a pan and coffin was our Yamako. Yen pan waka. Moya telephone another, moya telegram. Honestly, yeah, Cassa says, or big na says, your man coffin him to the was wobble, and to him pan away at the Boko away home. I had a teacher here Friday, but for one day school, next will be next week, Friday, one man abortion. On a way hobby, and say, catch a wana, and say, Pamucho, I will be allowed. Really enjoy. galamsey mu no sabe hwehwe wadwum no bi so there awu kakra bedinti oni ana a time is coming in this country where even when you have the money to buy a bottle of water for 10,000 or 1,000 cedis whatever you will not be sure of the content of the water you'll be taking. What about that? Yababa ya brother man nobody yabodum su na yewu impa bebre na na waka nsu fi baby wonum wagana ha wana wase nsu ni ye wagana ha pa na wonum su a wonum su wagana wata nsu aboti na wonum wana wata ama nsam ne se papa na amna oyebotum ya tobi mama mayem fada madi amanyesem anade camera sem yebeja ya kekebi keke ekwa akwadwunu ho yi nsuru ma adwunu ho eto bottle water eto pure water na onye sachet water na azade he no be fiaba o say na dodo na Ghana water fu wonsu ya na wo use dodo na monsu ya na wo package water be ontina monsu mu ebufu wan sa atre monsu mu ye bi so bi bottle monsu 2 cedis na wa ton wan yan 1,000 cedis a ono masum ba ye bi waso wa start wo ye bi into waso was na wo ye ba this time wo be fi hin aba o me hwe ne ye na media fu mun ka bi me mo nja ngu ye do mo hu do nko yi a mo nka monsu monsu monko nde monko enuma pepemo na monko hwehwe nsanu bi me maka nse ye hu kwan anamo yesu yi na yabu ni na yembom ye magana ye akwenje da nda ye kasa but 10 years time na sa wo ban yinsu no this of course sunlight and sun wo yinsu anoma yetsa aha ye Gaza but ye ba sunlight and ye yinsu anom can you imagine secondary school sun na bi wo bonu ediban e wi abi wonu ediban and pay one ediban bi so den su ben wo de the school is very close here su ben wo de it's mo fan wo kodiza nkwan na wonum na ewaje no ye nkakran nkaka bi na behu ahi na da waze nnam kakanga ka botuma me asem ni serious nti wo me nhwede ni na be pray yewu mo wahi mo da maso be my father mpem ma no
media fu ya bakabi isam chof ya baka na mo yaka asem na okanu instructions from above. Mayeta haye kaya. Ibini wuna mechi wada mechi. We to them say. Wada mechi. We to them say. Na ye dema o manana ye timna ahi nyina ye brɛ no. Ye bebe ya yo man ye. Ebushia ma yen fancy na anope yanda yen hombra yeba yede de boka to be kansa ne pe napod no yede abla ho na ye nkaji oye MPA wona krato no bra sisia na yeba de boka te napod no yede abla ho yen kwamra
Mido, Gana Biana. I'm for Jibby Baby Sue, every time I just a baby shit. Mangashi.
Junior! I'm saying so enough for maybe the no.
Sister Cospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm using the why. My wife.
Down Yankanawa.
Sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. And wow.
LPG, let me see your hand.
Ghana Ebisa listen Ghana no be yen yes Ghana no be yen ne be mpakwa ne bien bi won fa won pasam nkunya won fa won pasam nkunya ane ma ho bi di ma ho be yamakwan kwa na anepei the boka te abakansa yade oye the boka taba kansa na fida ne pay ya de bra ho na ebusua yako oye daily guide the boka tena ensama owom ya fori sase na ose amape man mahama na ebibi mem numu sama esise ya ode ye ne hin na yi die no ode iduado ntomanpen si we will push Africa. Yes, we will push for Africa reparation. Obey Juma. Illegal mining. On rampage. Oh yeah, Greco paying for another one. Na Greco site so essentially what the legal mining was the call. And say Greco paying for no that one. Messiafo 42 no way we garam sepet. Messiafo daily guide name wana Messiafo 42 ani ya kagaram se sama na wose mayinfu Messiafo 42 no way we garam sepet garam se amunum Messiafo no we wuwum ifeyi no adawano na wa pere honen na yare bompai yare pa bobu do ya me so obi obo se site bia amobu amua obu nkumen and the paper guide the book at no fe no the bay Messiafo 42 oye pa oye tolo wodo so sendam tolo wodo so sendam na ebusia me yantu ebe daily graphic the book at no the omam pen John man Mahama no fe na ba also UN work UN for work if you par 80 years nti brass all the way then when you reset nti ebibi member ha omampe John man mama akaka da masa no wo oye UN General Assembly ya kabo ma after 80 years no oda reset ye yesese bi na yetim na ne yetim tene yonkwa daily graphic the book at mo de bayin na odi oye Dr. Samjona odi no fe ina ba na also youth unemployment aha no ba hampa oye galamsey fight no ente de masse maka the boss and maka me say I want to galamsey na like young flow na so watal I want to galamsey na young flow na so watal we task force na ye I want to galamsey na young flow we task force ye so watal ndana Dr. Samjona waka kaso be meja daily graphic wa malabo hoyin na emseye kwada chronicle do boka tenima omampen John man Mahama no fe ni dem UN General Assembly ni de papa waka kasa papa ntoma dani osase kasa na bofin na obi atwe ne pen paper all papa ne yin wa ba wa shero Komishofa kasa wo Ghana wo le o nya president bio ya me ohwanya rekonekel o ma president Dramani Mahama menden UN General Assembly o man kwanda kwakakasa wase no single nation bi anyi odo we man kwan odo wutie ne kwa ma oy yende bi a on samfata nyere wutie bakole kele wakata naso odi oy youth employment agency beneficiaries no na when did them unpaid allowance hey Ghana pa youth unemployment awuna yemere wado mo wafa wono supo wonhwe wono kaw no when did them na mamponte ohina oho meja oti prophet roja odere kwas odneki jasem bi abada wa hye no nkomban ono hemis no nkomban wa hye nti se wa su gitum na prophet roja nkom se na hye no ya koki wa no tetiga na ha bible kitahin o cha hinda na no yen shan kom yimpa no on top lane yen shan kom yimpa no nkutu gode hu nkoma be sebia dum nkoma be sebia dum na ponte chief no wa prophet roger na kija asem de bia nkoki na no do boka te the chronicle no pe mo de bayin Ghanaian Times Odama President Dramani Mahama ne fugun ye fedodo fugun ay fe papa you want the assembly the some can was the closer to also reform security council reform security council security council was a reform that's all. Doctor says Samdona. And the payment for you that the book at the Ghanaian Times. I think I'm saying meet what? Choose power. Galam say no one can say you hear him for lutum. Also the Galam say the lie him for no one assassin kwan. Asam nine. Galam senu I can for no man who ma come to them say imbi bande ubuta hia wo oye danko kroma hin wan pere de unta hia we won bi ta hia obi emi ta hia ho mo wala ni tipo e da wa wo de wo danko kroma po osu no kokoto unta hia ho inta hemfnala asase ye wona den se wan kawo yan kodam ganse fight na ebiso ye kwa Ghanaian Times the boka tenu na other Samdona say other for in that bottle oil chairman ebiso for the supreme the boka tenu the owura Samia Wuku no fein or that bottle no no so nya more kind NLA National Lottery Authority go assembly ababedogwa on na and pay what the Samia Wuku ne fein odi abotoin na emshafo yache oye doboka ti abakansa nodo na yamfa ensabno yamfa mo Dr. Ladma wudu bawnia wo oye supreme na num naso na no fein do Osi or the welfare program to be MPP delegate. Hey, opposition right the papa. Hey, no say party be law. Power kakra na opposition kakra. Power kakra na opposition kakra. Na Dr. Lad Mamu Baumia, and Osi Baumia outlines welfare program to provide for MPP delegate. Wo power no di wo power no who kwan year welfare program. Wo opposition na ma no be welfare program. Na parties na la oye be himu bi no nya politics. Oye pa de himu bi nya politics. Ebi so yanko daily guide mo fem to be sebo the new crusading guide but that's it the new crusading guide mo fem to me sebo so dey no feyin wo na bente bi so no so no feyin da ho feyin ko ebi ba sa anan enum o fe dodo feyin ogonya ya kama Ganem say shut down in a way payment. Na oye soje you know that one. Oye abonyaga. Oye Lieutenant Colonel Tete. Who have been without paying more than say site. Namase galam se wo twom tebu tase ya mo ntano mfo wo du fude pe mfa matete nkra na foreign minister no yi MP kuju tabra kwa no yi MP ebusha so bakaya you wanje na asemi na orokodo wo USA abochirime na MP no ro kan mo oko na oye okujo tabra ko wo beef for parliament tolo yo aboko bi me yahwe na no so rank member na odo oko na minority leader oko wenya kwan nti na wutin as rank member da oko na okujo tabra ko me yu ye bohwe sawo sebaka iti achefei na oda the new crusading guy no kujo ta abrakwa atene se wona wo iyo njere aseme nkobi kwa iti wa mu ankobi ono no fei naja de boka atenu odi abatawo ebi so no fei na o me de boka atenu abatawo da no no mejira do na mede oye isami na no mede aba ewieye na yehwe kwanda nche yebenya update wo ye weather report ho Ghana Meteorological Agency and the pay me wium no re no no report kakra yehwe kwanda nche sabaka na yede abra na so nsem ka yede ebusua yede besi na de num nda so mu no yede ama oye asoya wo hwe oye adense mu ndamado me kire king of the universe the king